Hello everyone, how are you all? My name is Annalyn Javier. I am 39 years old. I am from the Philippines. I'm a single mother. I am a college undergraduate and Bachelor of Science in Accounting and Information System. I do have an experience working abroad for 6 years. Like in 2012 until 2016, I worked as a nanny in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. I do take care of babies ages 3 years old and 5 years old. My main duties are feeding them during their mealtime, giving them a bath to maintain their cleanliness all the time, playing with them during their free time, and of course, teaching them how to read and write. And in 2020, 22 until January 2025, I work in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates as a all-around housekeeper. My employers are Americans and they have 6 members of the family. And my main duties in that families are cooking, cleaning, ironing, and marketing. At the same time, I do just a little bit of gardening outside the villa. Mom and sir, I am a hardworking and trustworthy person, and I can work with your family for a very long time. Please give me a chance, mom and sir. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.